Hello and welcome to today's Birmingham Post Business Bulletin. Today we're having a look at credit insurance after the government beefed up its support for companies and what's often been called a failing programme. The government launched its £5 billion trade credit insurance top-up scheme in May to help companies who'd come up against a drastic fall in cover. However, it's only since helped 52 firms across the country with £1.1 million worth of cover. Now the government has reduced the price of top-up cover from 2% of the value of the cover to just 1%. I'm here with business reporter Anna Blackaby, who's been looking into the issue of credit insurance over the last few months. As I understand it, Anna, the problem is that companies can't access credit insurance, so is this going far enough?
Well, no. Basically, I've been speaking to manufacturing firms in the West Midlands who've been affected by this issue. I've been saying that these new measures announced by the government are effectively meaningless because the problem lies in those cases where credit insurance has been taken away altogether by the insurance companies, not those cases where it's been reduced, which is what the top-up scheme is aiming to help with. Because how can you top up something which has disappeared entirely?
So, what is it that companies in the area would like to see done?
Well, they're saying that it's not the job of the government to provide credit insurance, it's the job of the credit insurance firms. So they're really calling on the government to get tough on the credit insurers and do their job. They are questioning, quite rightly, why they've been paying for decades, paying their premiums on their credit insurance, and then as soon as the first bit of trouble comes along, those credit insurance firms are walking away. So they're asking government to get tough on the credit insurance companies.
Great, thank you, Anna. Obviously, you'll be able to read more about that in tomorrow's Birmingham Post. There's also a lot more going on in the newsroom at the moment. We're examining the state of finances at West Midlands football clubs for Monday's Post. We're also taking a look at plans to regenerate the Black Country after a major body saw its funding pulled. That's all for us today. Have a fantastic weekend and join us again on Monday.
One.